Now let us try to perform this, that is subtract 3 over 4 from 6 over 7. 6 over 7 minus 3 over 4. Solution. The first step is to find LCM of the denominators, that is LCM of 7 and 4. 2 goes twice and then 7, once and then 7, then 7 goes once, like this. So our LCM becomes 2 times 2 times 7, which would give us 28. Right. So now that we have the LCM, we bring each of the fraction, we find the equivalent of each of the fraction such that the denominator will be common and the value of the denominator has to be 28. So let's bring 6 over 7 that way. Now 7 times what will give us 28? That's 7 times 4. So we multiply numerator and denominator by 4. And 6 times 4 will give us 24, while 7 times 4 will give us 28. And then in the case of the second fraction, 3 over 4 will become, now 4 times 7 is what gives us 28, so we multiply by 7. This becomes 3 times 7 over 4 times 7. And that will give us 21 over 28. So now we see that we have two fractions with the same denominator. So it becomes 24 over 28 minus 21 over 28. Now, we write down our common denominator, which is 28, and then we subtract the numerators, that is 24 minus 21. And this will give us, now 24 minus 21 is 3 over 28. So we can conclude to say 6 over 7 minus 3 over 4 would give us 3 over 28. And that is the solution to this problem. Thank you.